In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a branded or decorative image behind your report canvas, make it visible, and control how it appears so your visuals stay clear and readable. Start by launching Power BI on your computer. Once it's open, go ahead and open your existing report file. You'll be adding the background to the current page, so make sure you're on the page where you want the image to appear. If you're planning a consistent look across multiple pages, you can repeat the same process later for each page. Before you change any formatting, click on any empty space on the report canvas. This ensures no specific chart or visual is selected, and it tells Power BI that you want to format the page itself rather than an individual visual. If you accidentally select a visual, you'll see formatting options for that visual instead of the page, so clicking an empty area is a simple way to avoid confusion. Look to the Visualizations pane on the right and click the Format Your Report Page icon. This is the page-level formatting area that controls how the canvas looks. In the options that appear, find and expand the Canvas Background section. This is where you'll attach and control your background image. Under Image, click the Browse or Add File button and select your image. PNG or JPG files work best. Choose a high-resolution image that matches your canvas's aspect ratio for a crisp result, but try to keep the file size reasonable so your report remains responsive. Right after you add the image, check the transparency setting. By default, it's often set to 100%, which means the image is completely hidden. Drag it down to 0% to make the image fully visible. You can always bring it back up later to soften the image and keep your charts easy to read. A subtle background often works best, especially behind dense visuals or text. Next, choose how the image should sit on the canvas with Image Fit. Fit scales the entire image to be fully visible without cropping, which is great if you don't want any part cut off. Fill covers the canvas edge to edge, but may crop parts of the image to eliminate blank space. Normal places the image at its actual size, which is helpful if you've prepared a design to exact dimensions. Preview your choice at different zoom levels and ensure important areas of your visuals remain clear. And that's it. You've added a background image, made it visible, and set how it fits the canvas. Save your report, and you're good to go.